a saucepan, start by taking 1 cup of sugar and add in half cup of water. Now let this boil. Well, once the sugar is melted, add in some kesar and just give it a good mix. Now set this aside. In a bowl, take 2 cups of all-purpose flour and then add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Here I am using pink salt, but you can use the normal salt as well. Just give it a good mix. Now we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of yogurt, half cup of ghee, and give it a good mix with our fingers. Make sure the ghee is mixed properly and then start adding some water and knead it into such dough. For me, it took exact half cup of water. Just knead it very lightly. Cover and set aside for half an hour. Now just do as I'm showing the steps. Spread it. Cut it and overlap it. Repeat the same process as many times as possible. Now just cut a part of it, set the remaining aside and roll it into your hands, same like this. Well, now shape it into an S and again roll it into the S shape, same like this. Now make 2 parts of it. Lightly roll it into your palms and just make a hole with the help of your finger. Same for the next. Make up the remaining search. After we have made those, we'll just deep fry it. Make sure your oil isn't too hot and try to fry it all together. Once they are turned into brown, just take those out. Now dip those in our prepared mix. Just move it a bit and put some liquid on the top. Now let this sit. Well, after 5 minutes, just flip those over. Now add half teaspoon of cardamom powder for the flavor and again give it a good mix and set aside. Well, after some time, in a plate, just take our balushahis out. Now repeat with the others. Well, now this step is completely optional. I'm just taking a silver leaf and adding it onto the top. Here we go. Well, like, share and subscribe.